The Dewalt 1000FT-LBS Cordless Impact Wrench offers impressive torque, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks like automotive repairs and construction projects. Its versatile design allows it to function as both an impact driller and screwdriver, thanks to the universal half-inch hog ring compatibility. The brushless motor not only enhances the tool's operational efficiency, but also extends its lifespan, providing up to 50% longer running time compared to traditional motors. Being compatible with the Dewalt 20-volt battery, this tool ensures reliable performance across various projects while including low-voltage protection for added safety. Despite its powerful capabilities, the tool weighs only 5.3 pounds and features an ergonomic design for comfortable handling during prolonged use. The built-in LED work light enhances visibility, making it an ideal choice for tasks in poor lighting conditions, such as tire removal and other automotive work.